What's up, guys? It's Sammy Jammy here. Let's go over really quick how I just made $1,300 in 6 minutes off one mini, two micros, and why you can feel really good about this strategy overall. So we are on the MNQ or NQ chart. Let's switch it to NQ, and we're on the 1 minute. Okay. So we had this breakout today. We kind of double topped and we came down to low a day. Low a day was right here. Okay. So what does that mean? Whenever we're low a day is. What does that mean? It means we have liquidity 1 penny below that. Okay. So as long as we dip below our low a day by 1 penny, 1 penny right here, we clear out all the liquidity at that price. So any orders, any stop, buy, sell orders, anything else set right at or below that low a day are all getting filled. Okay, so that's step one. We got the liquidity clear out. Step two, and what I get asked a lot is up or down. How do you know whether it's going to be up or down after a liquidity clear out? So for me personally, on this specific trade, okay, we had a very bullish day, the most bullish day of several days. If we go back, we put on the 15 minute, we have been selling off for a long time, okay, for days and days and days. All right. So for me, because we finally got some bull pressure coming in after that sell off, I was leaned for sure as expecting a bounce here. And what's beautiful with these kind of trades is, so for me, what I wanted to see is I wanted to see the buy pressure come in, a second back test of that low, and then a hard push, which is what we got. We got our neutral candle, and we got high volume, closed bullish candle here. Next candle, which is this candle right here, we had lower volume, okay? We came down to that low again and couldn't breach it. So that to me right there says I feel good about a long here. And now, how big of a long? How good does it push? We don't know yet. But what we do know is we want to take a long first green candle open above the candle base of this candle. So the second we break right here, I'm in. And that's exactly what we did. Now, what's our targets? Well, I'll tell you, we had this super clean sell-off here. So for me, I love that as a fibs. I pop a fibs on any clean sell-off just like that. I pop a fibs on. And there's a few things we know to expect there. One is if we break the 0.25, we'll get a back test of the 0.25. And that's where we always take those profits first. Okay. And we got that. Check, check. Then we get the 618. And I mean, once we made the money on that, we have perfect fibs action after that. We've got the 618 resistance. Then we get the 0.5 retest and hold. Now we're testing that 618 again, which also can set up for a secondary long into full retrace. Because if we can break and hold this 618, we have a 72% probability of a full retrace. And there it goes. We might get it right here while I'm trying to show you a video about this down here. So it's perfect trading to maximize your profits. As you can see on this account, I made about $1,100 on this trade right here. It shows right there. And if you want me to open it up for the day, account summary right there, 1343. I was down 200 on this account at the start of the day. And now we have that high probability of the full retrace as well. So even if you miss, I mean, look at this. Let's look at this, guys. Even if you miss the liquidity draw, You've got second chance entry right at the 0.25. You've got third chance entry at the back test and break of the 0.5 again. And you have fourth entry for a scalp at the second break of the 618. How do you miss it? I mean, it's the easiest trades you can take day trading. Really.